Here we have the Super Mario Lego set. You guys can see everything it comes with right here. It does not come with Luigi, but we also purchased Luigi separately. So we're going to be unboxing this and checking out the Super Mario Lego. Let's get it. Okay guys, you can see we have a lot of pieces. Everything is unboxed. Now we have to put it together, and of course we have the manual that's right here. That's what we're mainly looking for, Mario, but we're gonna be putting all this stuff together and then we're gonna see how it looks. Okay, we did find the #1 bag right here, but in this box we do have Mario here. So let's take out Mario. Here he is. He does look pretty cool. I like that. We have the Bluetooth button and then the power button. So let's put Mario together first. Okay, you guys, so the quick start guide has you set up Mario right here, and to set up the rest, we need to download the app. So I did want to show you guys Mario. That is so cool. His eyes are blinking. The front part just turned all red. We can see his mouth. He's blinking again. I do like that right there. So for us to put the rest of it up, we are going to have to use the digital app. And the thing is, I'm recording this with my phone, so it's going to be very difficult, but I'm going to show you guys the end product. Okay guys, we just finished our little land right here, Mario Land, and I already showed you Mario, but we'll show you him real quick again. We could turn him on and off with that back button. Let me show you guys a couple of the things that I made, and then we'll kind of show you like how it works. Okay, so here is kind of like one of the lands that, like, once you're all the way finished, you're gonna put Mario on here, and then you're pretty much saying you're done with the land because you're right at the flag. Okay, we do have a Goomba right here, you guys. I do like how it looks. I think that's pretty cool. And maybe I didn't mention, but you could actually configure your land however you want it, and this is what we came up with right here. Of course, we have the question box right here. We're gonna go over here. We have this little, we're gonna put Mario on here and he could kind of like balance. Of course, we have the green pipe right here that he could go ahead and go into. And this is what I want to show you guys. We have Bowser Jr. and look how he looks. I love that it comes with Bowser Jr. right here. And we're just gonna put him right over there on his castle. And let's show you how it works. Okay, so we just powered up Mario. You guys could see Mario. Okay, we're gonna put him over here. We're gonna have him stomp on the Goomba. You guys can see he's racking up coins right there. We could throw him over here. It's dangerous. He's racking up coins, racking up coins. Okay, we're gonna throw him in here. That is so cool. Okay, we're gonna go over here, question mark. Getting some coins, getting some coins. We're gonna come over here with Bowser Jr. Okay. So now we're jumping on his shell. Okay, now we're getting tokens. We're jumping on his head and he was turning on fire. He did not like that. Okay, so now we have to hurry up and get to the flag. Oh, we didn't get to the flag in time, but you guys could see where Mario has to get to the flag in time.